Here's the first Can-Am Pleasant Air that I unboxed. There's the box right there. I don't know if you can see it. Hanging up to test it. I'm going to power it on high. And let's hear that. That's bad bearings. I'm going to stop it. But you can tell it's actually coming from inside the motor. This is the only one I've unboxed so far. I opened another box to confirm it had all the pieces, but I didn't take the fan out. I guess I'm going to have to open them all up and test them. I was hoping not to do that because that's a giant pain, but at least I can use the same blades every time I test them. I can just use these blades and not have to unbox all the blades, just unbox all the motors. Ooh, got some dust on my hands there. Okay, there you go.